Clothing manufacturing and clothing workshops always go over unused fabrics. They can no longer be used for sewing, but they can be used for making new, self-designed fabrics, accessories, and pieces of clothes. This video will demonstrate how to create a vest in a basic technique using fabric leftovers. One of the ways surplus can be used is cut them into strips and varying line rhythms. Sew them to fabric bases. Here you can see how this technique can be used. May use both fabric of the same color and fabrics of different colors and quality. Each strip of fabric with its own structure may enrich and complement the total composition, but it certainly depends on author's intention. The following equipment and tools will be needed to carry out the work: scissors, marking tools like a piece of soap or chalk, sewing needles, pins, paper for a pattern, sewing machine, sewing thread, base for the vest and a variety of fabric trimmings, denim fabrics, lace, coat fabrics, etc. First, flatten the base fabric on a table surface and plate the ready-made pattern so that both sides fit. Draw the borders of the pattern with a marking tool and cut out both sides. Use the leftovers to make strips. Cut them into the width of the vest. The width of one strip is approximately 4–5 cm. Strips shall be ironed if necessary. Begin to sew the strips from the bottom. Prepared strips shall be strengthened by pins at the base of the vest in a horizontal direction. In order to create texture, the strips shall be sewn one at the other, keeping the space of 2–3 cm. A sewing machine is used for this process. The stitch must go in the middle of the strips. The sequence and rhythm of the fabric strips are created by the author himself. Strips can be sewn a little over the edge of the vest, which can create a decorative effect on the sides. At the top of the vest, strips are sewn less frequently to avoid the volume. Stitch both sides of the vest in the same way. Stitch together two sides of the vest on the shoulder line. Stitch the strips to the sides of the vest and use them to tie up the sides.